Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering off the watch and removing the band so you can access the case edge without obstruction. Once done, loosen the visible screws with a 1/2 mm screwdriver and lift the back plate carefully using a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. Make sure to place screws in a magnetic tray and photograph component positions. This prevents confusion later. You'll now have direct access to the crown assembly under the midframe. Prepare to inspect and identify whether the issue is debris, a loose retention screw, or worn button parts. You'll now examine the crown shaft, spring, retention screw, and detent for wear or misalignment. Touch each part gently so you don't bend tiny components. If you see dirt, use 90% isopropyl and a soft brush, then dry with compressed air. This restores smooth movement. Once clean, test the crown's travel. If the spring or detent is deformed, replace them with OEM or exact spec parts and reseat the shaft into its bushing. Make sure screws are snug, but not over-tightened to preserve function and alignment. You reassemble by aligning the midframe and backplate, inserting screws finger-tight first, then torquing them evenly to avoid warping the case. Once done, power the watch on and test push and rotation actions. Make sure software responds to presses and that the crown returns smoothly. If it feels sticky or inconsistent, power down and reopen. A common fix is correcting spring orientation or replacing the rubber gasket if it's compressed. If problems persist after that, swap in a known good crown module to isolate mechanical.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.